Autocraft is Europe's largest independent engine builder for low volume and remanufactured engines. We're a privately owned SME. We've grown from 7 to 24 million over the last few years, from 98 to 208 employees as of where we are today. The challenges for us for bringing digital in have been knowing what to apply and where to apply it. Digital is a huge world which is very alien to a traditional manufacturing business such as ours, and you can quite quickly get blinded by a lot of different opportunities. And by using the KTN, we've been signposted directly to people that can help us. So it's really cut through some of the time that we were wasting and fast track us to where we wanted to be. Because actually a lot of the digital technology that will apply to a traditional business like this is already out there and implemented in slightly different ways in different industries. So it's proven technology in different sectors.
Manufacturing SMEs need support understanding how these incredible digital technologies might be deployed in their business. So we set up an initiative that we called For Manufacturing. So we established the needs of the business. We help them focus on a defined plan of action. We link them to the right partners and the right funding that can help them to implement Industry 4 in their own business.
So for many years we had to rely on some really good skilled employees that have been here for a long time, getting to that skill level to be able to hand build the engines. People always will make a mistake. You know, we are humans, we all occasionally make a mistake, and that can have major consequences. Digital technology means that we can measure the process. We still use people because people are wonderfully flexible, but we have digital technology to help them do that, to make sure there's no fault forward. So for example, within the process, instead of using a basic hand tool, we can use a tool with sensors built into it to ensure that we minimize the mistakes, and where we have got mistakes, we detect them as we're making them. So you contain any quality problems that you've got at the point that the quality problem occurs, which means you can rectify it immediately rather than find it later. Cost benefits of that are immense to a business like ours.
Simon, tell me about the next steps for Autocraft on your journey to Industry 4.
Okay, so we've already implemented some of these technologies in part of our business, but we need to now roll it out to the whole business between all our production lines and all the different systems in place that we have. Well, with Warwick Manufacturing Group and some of the other companies that you put us in touch with, we've come up with a whole map of where we want to go. So as you can see, what we had in the AJ room, we get a lot of data, a lot automated, no fault forward. It's absolutely fantastic, but we have multiple lines, multiple products across the whole business. And what we need to do is connect everything from the start to the finish, so we have the full engine DNA. And the main benefit there is we have real-time data.
So I think KTN can really help, Simon, and be that connecting you to the right funding streams, connecting you to the right solution providers, or helping you to integrate more within the Catapult network. So what we need to do next is sit down, understand your process more, and create an action plan.
Excellent, that's just what we need.
What we found is when we went to the KTN with some specific issues, we got introduced to a network of innovation companies. It opened our eyes to lots of other opportunities out there. And what we find is, as we're having meetings solving one issue or developing one technology, we're finding out that there's other technology out there and other partners that we can work with. So it's become a self-perpetuating network of like-minded people that just keep giving us more ideas that we can bring into our business.
It's been tremendous working with Mike over the last couple of years to build a relationship, to see that they have the right culture that can take the most of this incredible opportunity that these digital technologies represent.
The advice I give to any manufacturer looking to innovate is to go and get the help that the KTN can offer you. Go and talk to them, engage with them, and get yourself into their network of like-minded innovators who can really help you, show you what is possible, much faster than trying to do it yourself, at a lower risk than trying to do it yourself.